Hello and welcome to Volume 2 of the Songwriting Workshop. Hello again and welcome to the Songwriting Workshop with me, your host, Audio Boss. And yes, that is a dog toy. There we go. That is a dog toy there. Just wanted you to know. But anyways, so in this video, we are going to take an idea that we got from our previous video when we got some inspiration, and now we have something that is like la 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 la. So it's kind of not exactly that, but it's very similar. So let's jump into the digital audio workstation, or otherwise known as GarageBand, for this, because my Logic Pro, it's a memory hog, and trying to do these videos and it in the background, it makes it very difficult for me to produce videos because it just uses up so much RAM. So we're going to use GarageBand for this, and eventually we'll take that file and put it into the Logic Pro, and then you're going to see how cool this will sound. So stay tuned. Let's jump into the digital audio workstation. Let's jump into the garage. Start here. Okay, welcome to the workshop. And I went ahead and I wrote down the motive for the main song, and I got inspired by this just looking at a storm that was rolling in. So I got inspired and I wrote this. Take a look, or take a listen to it. Now, if you listen to this, I made it loopable, so it kind of goes back to where it started. So when you can make a 4-bar little snippet, or a motive, or motif, or a loop, or some sort of track that you can repeat over and over again in the song as the theme, you can work on it. So obviously, like a sculptor, you have a block of wood or a block of rock, a block of rock. You chisel away at it a little bit at a time, and pretty soon you come up with this wonderful sculpture, right? Same thing with music. So I went ahead and I added some syncopation as well as some offbeat stuff that will help amplify the mystique of this motive, so it sounds less boring, right? We want to make it mysterious. So this is what I did. You can see that I added a lot of different things. I even added a double bass down there. You can see it. Where'd it go? Well, it's there. But anyway, oh, I see what I did. Okay, here. Might help. So you can see the double line down here just for the first measure. It's just a whole note. And then I added a bunch of offbeats. And then I mixed up the the end of that little da 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 da. So it sounds da 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 da. So it has that dun da da little beat in it, just to because it really needs something, because the other one just sounds boring. So check it out. So it sounds a lot more interesting. It's like, whoa, so there's stuff going on, even though it's a pretty simple melody. And that's the key. You want to keep people hooked in. And that's why I made this loop that will be repeated throughout the song. Here we go. And now we can start developing some sort of melody that can go on top of this. In the quiet of the night, da 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 da, or something like that. So you can see how this is going to develop. Now, if you're thinking that you can use this loop and this song for whatever you're trying to develop, I'm sorry, but this is actually a copyrighted song and it's already written out all the way through and mastered. So I'm just kind of going back and peeling back all of the different layers and starting from scratch to rewrite this song so you could see how I developed it. So just to let you guys know, this song is called He Is Jesus, and it's already written out. It's already recorded. It's just going to be released as soon as we get done with this behind the music. So I wanted to scale this all the way back to the very beginning of where I got my inspiration. So that is video 1. You can see it here. And you could go back and do that recording or listen to that recording or the video and find out where I got inspiration or how you can get inspired of writing your own song. So I also want to, full disclosure, if you do get hung up on inspiration, definitely use AI. You can use sumo.ai. I think it's called suno.ai. And you can use that. It's a free app. You can go on there and say, hey, write a song about a thunderstorm, right? And it'll create a song for you. And that will inspire you to take the theme from that and use it in your song. But I want to make sure that you guys are completely aware that a lot of the streaming media services will not push AI music. Now, I know there's a band, it's a fake band on Spotify that has over 1 million views. Yes, 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 yes. Sorry, getting texts here. I'm going to turn off that. Anyways, it has 1 million views, but it's completely fake. If you try to push that onto YouTube's platform, YouTube's algorithm will not push that. So what you can do is take bits and pieces of ideas from that and put it into a digital audio workstation such as GarageBand and come up with your song. So let's listen to this again. So there you go. We already have a melody that's being developed. We have the motive. And probably what I will do when I get to singing the verse, I'll probably go back to the little bit of the boring part, but maybe throw in a little bit of the syncopation. So I hope you got some value out of this. If you did, smash that like button and also subscribe to this channel. Make sure you hit that bell icon and select all, because this is a series of videos that I'm putting out. And every time there's a new video that goes out, you will be alerted to it, so you can go back and see how this song will develop into a viral sensation. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Boring. Much better. In the quiet of the night, the city blue and bright, I'm not going to reveal the lyrics until next week.